Morning, YouTube. Hope y'all are having a good day. Today's video is going to be pretty short. Wanted to say thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, comment, and all that stuff. Not going to be quite as exciting as the last video on the hill, probably. There's no real struggles pulling the stuff down the hill today. I took a chainsaw up there and did a little work. But ultimately, a couple hours of work, ended up getting it pretty cleaned up, so I'm happy about that. I just got to get rid of the trees and brush now to the regularly scheduled programming. All right, done a little cutting. I don't know if you can see my saw up there, kind of in the middle of the picture, but she's jammed between a tree that I just cut in a piece. So doing some more cleaning on the hill. Gonna give you a little different viewpoint this time. All right, little update. It's a cold morning today. Beautiful though, clear, just very chilly compared to what it has been. So real quick, before we get started off, I'm gonna do a cold start on the tractor. You know, everybody loves those. So, are we ready? Are we ready? So, I got a couple clips of me pulling more trees off the hill, but I got the bulk of the big stuff that was right there. We got a few little branches there that I need to pull down, but this I just kind of brought down by hand once the big stuff was gone. So I've got to get rid of this pile of stuff, which is a decent sized pile. I mean, there's the tractor, there's the pile. But ultimately got the saw out. I didn't record much of it because it's hard to record when you're using a chainsaw. But there is all the big logs that I took down. There's also another pile that I need to get rid of. But that's it. You know, there's a couple parts of the tree that I I had to cut them off. I'm just gonna leave them there. Couple erosion, but yeah. So that's that. I'm gonna get this cleaned up eventually. Right now, I've got to go. I'm gonna put the tractor in the garage and clean it up a little bit. Check the oil and all the fluids and stuff, because I do that quite often just to make sure everything's in good condition. But yeah, a little chilly today, so I've got my coat on. But I'll catch you guys later.